In reimagining the interior layout of this Japanese small modular home, I carefully consider several key elements to enhance both functionality and spatial efficiency. One of the first changes I made was repositioning the entrance door, originally placed too deep into the space, so that the back wall behind the sofa could now serve as the main access point. This adjustment improves circulation and makes better use of the wall space. I also could choose the result of the sofa into a more compact design to free up room and avoiding overcrowding, aligning with the minimalist ethos of Japanese design. In the bathroom, I replaced the bathtub with a standing shower and toilet to improve practically and make the wet area more suitable for everyday use in a limited footprint. Another major upgrade is the bed configuration. Instead of a standard bed layout, I introduced a loft bed concept, allowing the lower section to be used as a flexible zone, whether for study, lounging, or additional storage. This setup not only serves floor space but also supports a more private and comfortable living experience, especially important in compact modular homes. Every change made aims to reflect a balance between functionality, privacy, and also the comfort, while respecting the clean lines and thoughtful layout principle found in Japanese small space living.